Today we're exploring one of Melbourne's most colourful and iconic beachfront destinations, Brighton Beach in Victoria, Australia. Known around the world for its charming beach huts, calm waters, and stunning views of Port Phillip Bay, Brighton Beach is a must-see on any visit to Melbourne's coastline. From the history of the beach boxes to the vibrant seaside atmosphere and the breathtaking views from above, this video takes you on a complete journey through one of Australia's most beautiful urban beaches. Brighton Beach is one of Melbourne's most loved seaside spots, famous for its colourful beach boxes, calm water and wide. The drive along the beachfront becomes just as special as the beach itself. The road follows the coast closely, with the ocean sitting right beside us and the sound of the waves drifting through the open windows. On one side, the deep blue of the bay stretches out toward the horizon. On the other, rows of beautiful modern homes slowly pass by. Some of the houses here are truly stunning. Large glass windows face the water, wide balconies overlook the beach, and clean modern designs blend naturally with the coastal setting. You can tell this is a place where people wake up to see views and soft morning light almost every day. It's a relaxed and friendly beach, perfect for swimming, short walks and enjoying a quiet moment by Port Phillip Bay. As the drone rises higher, the horizon opens up and you begin to see Melbourne's skyline in the distance, soft and faint against the sky. This mix of urban and seaside scenery is one of the reasons Brighton Beach is so special. It feels like the best of both worlds. From the sky, you can also see people scattered along the shore, walking dogs, playing with frisbees, or sitting under umbrellas. The beach feels alive from above, even when viewed in stillness. There's a peaceful rhythm to the way people spread out, enjoying space and sun without crowding one another. Then, as the drone slowly tilts down and moves closer to the water again, you get a sense of just how inviting this place can be. The water looks clear and gentle, the sand soft and welcoming, and the entire scene feels like a postcard come to life. It's the kind of view that reminds you why people travel from around the world just to experience this kind of natural beauty. From the air, the calm water around Brighton Beach looks almost surreal. The shallow bay extends far out, with sunlight sparkling on the surface like tiny diamonds. The drone slowly moves along the shoreline, showing how the beach gently curves under the clear sky. Further out, the bay's gentle waves spread like ripples across the water. From above, it becomes easier to see how the ocean and land meet in a soft dance, each feeding into the other. The surrounding streets and promenade line up neatly just behind the beach, reminding you that this is a place where city life and natural beauty meet in perfect harmony. Tall palm trees line sections of the road, gently moving in the breeze and adding that relaxed coastal feeling to the drive. With the sun shining, the road feels open and calm, and every turn offers another postcard-like view of the bay, the beach, and the elegant homes sitting quietly above the sand. The water laps gently at the shore, cool and inviting. Everywhere you look, there are colourful beach boxes sitting on the edge of the sand like tiny, vibrant houses with stories of their own. Many visitors pause at the beach boxes to take photos, especially at sunrise and sunset when the colours pop against the sky. They stand in neat lines, each box facing the water as if waiting for its owner to come back and enjoy another day by the sea. Brighton Beach also has a calm walking promenade just behind the sand, lined with trees, cafes, and nice spots to stop for a coffee or gelato. Local families come here for morning walks, joggers pass by with friendly waves, and travelers stop to take in the sea breeze. You'll often see the flags of Melbourne fluttering in the wind, sailboats out on the bay, and the peaceful rhythm of life moving gently along the coastline. Thank you for exploring Brighton Beach with me, one of Victoria's most colourful and scenic coastal gems. If you enjoyed this journey and want to see more beautiful places, travel tips, and breathtaking views from around the world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Travel Man channel. More adventures are coming soon, and I can't wait to take you there.